Hello and welcome dear students. This is the part 2 of the first chapter of class 9 Odia medium English book, that is The Priceless Gift. And you are watching Kadambini Srushti. So as I already says in different videos that a story has 5 basic elements, but as you are the new students, that is class 9, so I have not talked to you all these things. So now let me tell you what are these basic elements. So the first one is time. Now tell me dear students, what is the time here? Here the time in the first part is the launch time, and the second the time is this Saturday, and next comes the place. What is the place? So in the first part the place is restaurant. Is it okay? Yes. And in the second part the place is Maggie's house. Next comes who are the characters here. So the first character, yes, tell me who is the first character? I means writer. Writer means Mr. Gupta. So Mr. Gupta is the first character, and second one is, yes, the girl. The girl that is sitting in the restaurant. So who is that girl? What is her name? Her name is Maggie. Now the third character, Maggie's brother, who is a soldier. And the fourth character is Maggie's mother, that is Mrs. Bethy. So in short we can say Mr. Gupta and Maggie's family. Maggie's family means Maggie, her mother and her brother. Okay, so these are the characters. Now my dear students, you just remember any one of the film that you have watched in TV or any cinema hall. So in every cinema, that is a story also. So in every story you will find a problem. Is not it? You just remind any of the films. In every film there is a problem. Now who gives solution to this problem? Yes, tell me. Yes, the hero comes and gives solution to the problem. So likewise here also, as it is story, so also we may have a hero who will give solution. So now let us think about the problem. Now tell me, what is the problem in this chapter or in this story? Who is having the problem? First tell me. Yes, Maggie's family, they have a problem. Now what is the problem? That her brother, who is a soldier working or posted in India, he has not sent any message to them. That means no news from Maggie's brother since a long time. This is the problem. Okay. Now let us see whether we get any solution or not. So in this video we will generally discuss two basic things or two situations. So what are these two? Number one, the first visit of Mr. Gupta to Maggie's house, and the second is again the second visit of Mr. Gupta to Maggie's house. So the first visit we have already talked and started what is there or what happened in this discussion among Maggie, her mother and Mr. Gupta. So let us start the conversation between Mr. Gupta and her mother. So the conversation is as follows. First, Mrs. Bethy, she says, "Sir, what kind of country is India?" And Mr. Gupta replies, "India is a very beautiful country." Mrs. Bethy again asks another question. "Is it a safe place to live in? Too much snakes and tigers, don't they kill people?" Then Mr. Gupta replies, "No, not at all. That is just a rumor." And then Mrs. again says that my son is a soldier and he is in the Punjab. Now tell me, what sort of place is Punjab? And Mr. Gupta replies, Punjab is a very nice place and also healthy to live in. Now Mrs. Gupta is happy and he says, I am glad to hear you. So now let us discuss the next part using a word envelope. Okay, so who brought this envelope? Mrs. Bethy. Now what is there inside the envelope? Yes, now you tell me. There is the photograph of her son. What is his name? Yes, Frankie. So Mrs. Betty brought an envelope and there is the photograph of Frankie, who is her son. Okay, now whom she wants to show it? To Mr. Gupta. Why? Because Mr. Gupta is an Indian and her son is also posted in India. Next word is ring. Who sent this ring? Yes, Frankie sent this ring. To whom? To his family. Next comes, what is special about this ring? Mrs. Betty says that if you concentrate anyone and gaze at this ring, then you can see him and also you can see what he is doing. Okay, so this is all about the first visit of Mr. Gupta to Maggie's house. Let us discuss the second visit of Mr. Gupta to Maggie's house. Here comes another important word, that is ill or sick. Now the first question is, who is ill? Yes, Mrs. Betty, Maggie's mother, is ill. Now why is she ill? She is ill because, you tell me, because of her son, because she has not heard any news from her. She is worried and also sick at the same time. Now the sickness of Mrs. Betty brings weariness to whom? To her daughter, that is Maggie. So here Maggie requested Mr. Gupta to just to concentrate on the ring and just give the information to her mother that her brother is well, fine and okay. Now here there is a confusion in the mind of Mr. Gupta. What will he say? Whether he will say the truth or he will tell a lie. Then there Mr. Gupta thinks that if I can give relief by telling any lie to this old lady, then there is no problem. So suddenly he just hold that ring and went to the bedside of Mrs. Betty and told that, yes, Mrs. Betty, your son is alive and also fine or well. So now just tell me what change this sentence of Mr. Gupta will bring in the condition of Mrs. Betty. Yes, my dear students, after hearing this, Mrs. Betty recovered or got well. With that, tears welled up from her eyes. Now she is fine. Let us wind up this class here. So in the next video, we will discuss whether her son is really alive or well or fine. Okay, so keep watching, keep learning, stay safe, stay home, and we will be right back with the next part or the last part of this chapter very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a nice day.